Good morning and happy Sunday, everybody. This is Molly, and I'm here at my desk at Livy Ray, where I've been able to help countless number of women. And as of recently, I was approached by Dr. Jen with PherDal to help educate and inform you all of this amazing new product that she has created in order to help women all across the globe that have fertility issues. PherDal was an at-home kit that was created by her after 16 months and with a diagnosis of unexplained infertility. She invented a medical device that conceived her daughter, who is now 4. She's made 200 proof of concept kits within the last year, and they sold out in 90 days. She has 21 mothers that have used PherDal that have babies on the way. I'm coming to you because she's now trying to raise the money to pay for FDA clearance of her patent pending medical device. One of the things I'll say is I too experience some of these same conversations in the dressing room every single day. And as a 47-year-old mother, I know the pains that it could possibly be if you were unable to have children and wanted to. They have started a new campaign that's similar to a Kickstarter, except it's a crowdfunding where you can actually be an investor. They have 8 days left. The investment started at $249, and her goal is to be the first FDA-cleared assisted reproduction kit that's offered over the counter for an estimated 1.2 million people in the U.S. alone struggling to have babies right now. She has her story available at PherDal.com. She's on Instagram. She has countless testimonies, and I would love to see if there's anybody out here who would be willing to invest and do all you can to help support this amazing mission from Dr. Jen. Make sure you go check her out, check out her story, and check out PherDal.com if you're interested in being an investor for this much needed product. If you've ever tried to conceive and couldn't, or went through the testing, or went through the fertility drugs, or done all of the things, you know that it's extremely expensive and very difficult for so many people to afford. And I'm passionate about this because not only is she a bad mama jammer, she is a doctor, she is a boss, she is a mother, she is a wife, and she is doing all the things to bring peace and harmony to women who suffer, and men too. I mean, this is a, duo project here sometimes. And there's unexplained things that happen with fertility that sometimes the doctors still don't know. So check her out, check out this video, and if you want, you got 8 days left to help them reach their goal of $1 million to get the FDA clearance test that they need to bring this over-the-counter fertility product straight to you. Peace, love, and happy holidays, you guys.